Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the critical error occurred issue in 2xKO. First of all, make sure your game and systems are updated. Check for any pending patches or updates for 2xKO and install them. Another important step is to temporarily turn off real-time protection in Windows Security. To do this, go to the search bar, then open Windows Security. After that, click on Virus and Threat Protection, then go into Manage Settings. Here, simply toggle off real-time protection. Before doing this, make sure the game isn't running in the background by checking Task Manager and then close Task Manager. After this, relaunch 2xKO and see if the critical error is resolved. You should also try verifying your game files if you're using a launcher like Steam or Epic Games. This will fix any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the error. And that's all. That's how you can fix the critical error occurred problem in 2xKO. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.